Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous gemstone and gold chain necklace. Let's get started. The supplies that you're going to need are gemstones with connectors on each side. You're going to need connector links. You'll need some chain. You'll need some oval and round circle links. You'll also need a couple of jump rings, and you'll need some end caps for your chain. The tools that you'll need are flush cutters, chain nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. I laid out my pattern, and what I'm doing is I'm using different shaped links in between each gemstone. So I've got a circle, a gemstone, and then I've got an oval, a gemstone, a circle. So I'm alternating the shapes of the links. And in between I have different colored gemstones, which are also connectors. And then I'm going to use these little connectors to put everything together. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make this necklace. So I'm going to put out more of my connectors, and these connectors are really neat. They have two sides that are open on each side. So what you're going to do, so you're going to take one of your links, put on your shape link, either your oval or your round, use your chain nose pliers, and you're just going to pinch it down so there's no space, so your link can't fall out. And then you're going to take your gemstone connector, put it through there, and then also just push this down. These go down really easily. So now you have your gemstone and your link connected. So we can do another one. Connector, add it to your gemstone. Press down your connector. Take the other side, and remember we're alternating different shaped links. So I'm going to put a circle on this one. Press that down. Okay, so I'm going to continue on with my necklace, and then I will meet you back here. Okay, now that I'm done, we can go ahead and measure. I measured this, and it's measuring about 19 inches. So I want to take off 2 inches because I want 17-inch necklace. So I'm going to take off these 2 links. So I'm just going to put in my chain nose pliers, push it up, push the link up, and take off my link. I'm going to keep this on for just a minute because I'm not sure what kind of clasp I'm going to use. So let me take off this too, this side. Same way, just putting in my chain nose pliers inside the link, the connector link, and pushing it up, and then taking off my link. And I'm going to push this back down. Now what I want to do is I actually want to add another piece of chain to this. I think that's going to look really nice. So I have this, I think this is called satellite chain. It has little round beads in between the chain. So I put on a clasp at the end, and I'm going to attach this clasp to the end of here. So I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to slip on this and close it up. And now what I have to do is I have to bring this chain all the way down till I get to the end. And then I have to decide if I wanted to drape longer than this, or if I wanted to stay on the top. So I think I wanted to stay on the top. So I'm not going to add more chain, longer chain than this necklace. I'm still gonna go with the 17 inches. So let's put all this together. Okay, now that I have everything evened out, I'm going to cut my chain. I'm going to add my clasp, the same clasp that I have on this side. So let me get one of these out. So this one, it's got a little round circle link at the top, and then in between, I'm going to put the chain. Oops, kind of hang on to this with my fingernail. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold this over. I can use my bent chain nose pliers, my chain nose pliers, whatever works the best for me. I think I'm going to use my chain nose pliers. So I'm going to slowly push down one side. Then I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. And smash that down. Then I'm going to straighten out the necklace and then add my clasp to the end of this one. So let me see if I can find the opening. Here it is. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to add my chain, close it up. Okay, now to finish it off, I'm going to use a couple of jump rings. So these are 6mm. I'm going to put this jump ring through the hook, the circle link, like that, and I'm going to close it up. Using another 6mm jump ring, I'm also going to put it through the same circle hook, like that, and then I'm going to add my clasp and close that up. And there you have your beautiful gemstone and gold chain necklace. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.